Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelica Bell with a brand new video. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on my new block hair dryer that I just bought. As you can see, that is my old one. I'm going to get rid of it because I can't decondition with that. So, ow. So I got a new one. Alright, so I got this, what's this for? Kiss 1875 Salon Bonnet bryer. Yes. Very big. They're bigger than my other one. As you should see. So, yeah. So basically, this hat is it's two-time bonnet. Her side is 4.5 side. I got 4 settings. So, yeah. So I can't wait to use this. So I got a high, medium, low, and cold setting. So I don't know how I'm going to use it for deconditioning because the only one I only had 2 settings, the hot and warm. Yeah. That's it. And high and low. That's it. So, this I'm so excited to use. So, let me just open this. Alright, I'm sorry, you didn't hear drums in the background. They're practicing for the parade tomorrow, so yeah. So you're going to hear drums. Every they're getting ready for the Martin Luther King Jr. parade that happening in my neighborhood. Probably not go to it. I don't know. Probably not because I don't do parades at the high school, so I don't do parades. But you never know. Oh my god. I really need to put this scissors. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh my god, it's so I will get this eventually. Ow! I get a basket. No basket be hurting. Oh, basically. Okay, let's let me sit this mess down. Okay. Whew. And on it in here, the owner instructions. So this is my new hair dryer. It is very big, very heavy. So, you know what? Let's get this. We better whip this thing open. Yeah, we don't whip it open. It got a zip tie. We're gonna whip it open. We don't have time for that, do that. So just the dryer. So you open it from right here. It was big and everything. So you got a handle, so that's good. And you just open it from here and kind of like that. Oh, okay. There you go. So this way to it. Wait, be able to like this down somehow. Oh well, we figured this out. So you got the cord, put it on, and the settings. So you better plug it back in. Okay, so. I'm not gonna use it today, as you can see, and not wash that yet. Because I just took my twist out. So this is twist out now, so yeah. But you will see me do this on Wattpad. So you will see me get under it, but I'm just checking to see what. Oh, I'm taking the bag in my money bag, so yeah. Hold on. Yeah, it ain't even that loud though. We got it on cold. It's low. Medium. And high. Definitely probably be using the high setting, but I would gotta figure out how I'm gonna put this because okay. But anyway, it do work, so that's great. I just need to figure out what I'm gonna put this at to do it because honestly I gotta go under here. Yeah, so basically I gotta put my head under this. Yeah, like that. So yeah. Oh well, we will figure this out when what day comes. Yeah. Okay. Close it up. So yeah, I'll be back for what day. Where you gotta see me use this to do my deep condition and see where it's better than my other one when it comes to deep condition. The big old hair. See, I got big hair. Big hair. Don't care because I love my big hair. Oh yeah. Okay, but I see you on what day. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got my shadow cap on and I'm about to decondition. I did some deconditioner on the go with the bonnet, but actually we're gonna use the hairdryer. So like I said, we're gonna review the bad boy. So I'm gonna put it on the high setting. Let's go. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm about to talk about my beautiful hooded dryer right there. Yeah. So honestly, I did condition my hair and let me tell you, I used this. Actually, I did deep condition on the go, but I also did this too. I came back home and got it, and oh my god, let me tell you, my colors were defined. I mean, defined. Like other one, they made my color defined. This made my color so defined, like it was juicy, like my hair was moist and juicy. I don't know what in it, and I had it on highlight. I had it on high, like the highest setting, because I got 4 settings, I got a high, medium, low, and cool. I had it on the high setting, and let me tell you, my hair was juicy. You can see it's juicy. I'm doing wash and go today because I'm not in the mood. Just random do wash and go. I usually don't do wash and go because my hair get tangled so easy with single strand knots and stuff. My hair get tangled so easy. But I'm doing a hair challenge. Oh wait, you will see another video of me. You'll see me talking today. I'm filming like 3 videos today, so yeah. But anyway, the other video is the reason why I'm doing the wash go because I'm using the air dry queen and make your hair put it dry faster while I put a heat on it. And saying, oh, will air dry my hair. Why not put that in there to see where it make it dry faster? But so far doing good. Like it was just like lit down here and not like on my neck. So honestly. So basically, like I said before, this is the Kit 1875 Salon Bonnet dryer. It's like really good. It cost me like only $40 for it, so that's not really bad. $40 for a hair dryer. I mean, not bad for your butt. And it's like a salon one. You get really good money because some people get like $100. I'm not about to spend $100 on something I get cheap. You know. You gotta do your pride, you gotta do your research. You don't do homework, you want to see. But anyway, honestly, it's really good. But I do another wash and go later on in the year. I'll probably end up using it just to like, you know, dry it faster. Like dry it faster. Maybe use the cool setting. Actually see what with my hair. Like, you know, closing the cuticle. So I am medium posse, but I treat my hair like a low posse. Just for the added moisture in it, to make sure. But since I've been taking good care of it now this year, my color has been really like trying to pop out like my forehead here. So yeah. I don't know what my hair is. But anyway, my hair is really good. So honestly, I just don't leave it here, but go check it out. I don't need the link where I got it from in the description box, so please check it out if you actually want this. Honestly, it's really good, and plus it comes with a 2-year warranty. What better way? Honestly, what better way? But yeah, so no, I gotta say about the dress. Like, the dress is also amazing, and I can't wait to use it every week for wash day. So yeah. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.